Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 269 points, that is 0.35%, and settled at 77,209 points. Nifty 50 is down by 65 points, that is 0.28%, and settled at 23,501 points. Bank Nifty is down by 121 points, that is 0.24%, and settled at 51,661 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is down by 44 points, that is 0.08%, and settled at 55,429 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 31 points, that is 0.17%, and settled at 18,235 points. Power Grid Corporation of India's PGCIL's board on 21st June approved several investment proposals worth 810 crore rupees, the company said in a regulatory filing. Brahmaputra Infrastructure Limited update. Company have an consolidated order book with joint venture or operation partners as on 21st June 2024 approx 1210 crore rupees. Company is under continuous process to bidding the new tenders of state and central government along with private party contracts. With this positive update, stock has reacted positively in today's session. Brokerage firm Zerodha on Friday, 21st June, encountered yet another technical disruption. Several users reported issues with the firm's trading app, Kite. Users took to social media platforms and cited frozen screens and other operational difficulties during the outage. The glitch caused inconvenience to traders, with some being unable to access the platform for a brief period. The Vedanta promoted Hindustan Zinc Company said the world's second-largest zinc producer has signed a memorandum of understanding with US-based Acer Technologies to develop next-generation zinc battery technologies. Under this move, Hindustan Zinc will be the preferred supplier of zinc, a key raw material for Acer Technologies batteries. Zinc-based batteries provide an alternative to other modern energy storage solutions, delivering higher power at lower costs with minimal maintenance and longer lifespans of up to 20 years. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. Today, most of IT stocks have reacted positively in today's session. The Dublin-headquartered Accenture firm tightened its revenue forecast for fiscal year 2024 on 20th June, in the range of 1.5% to 2.5%, compared to its earlier projection of 1% to 3%. The IT giant saw its Q3 revenue decrease by 1% from the year-ago period at $16.5 billion. What caught the attention of investors and analysts was the impressive performance of Accenture in large bookings and generative artificial intelligence deals. Accenture's mixed performance in Q3 signals that Indian IT companies with similar clientele and services will perform better in upcoming quarterly results starting 11th July, according to analysts. TCS, which is closer to Accenture's size, and Infosys, which resembles its clientele, will perform better when compared to other large-tier Indian heritage IT companies. Time Technoplast are in news today after the plastics products firm said the firm has received final approval from Petroleum and Explosives Safety Organization for the manufacturing and supply of high-pressure Type 4 composite cylinders for hydrogen. Time Technoplast is the first company in India to get approval. Subsequently, we submitted the cylinders for joint testing and inspection to the approving authority for final approval. We are pleased to announce that we have received final approval from PESO for the manufacturing and supply of high-pressure Type 4 composite cylinders for hydrogen. We are proud to be the first company in India to receive final approval for the manufacturing and supply of Type 4 composite cylinders for hydrogen. This milestone signifies a significant advancement in our efforts towards sustainable green energy, said the firm in a communication to bourses. With this positive news, stock has surged up in today's session. Shares of GE Power India rose over 9% in early trade today after the power generation and transmission equipment maker said it received a letter of intent from NTPC GE Power Services Private Limited. The contract is worth 243.46 crore rupees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.